Hi everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to show you 6 ideas for minimalist cards. So the first way is to use solid stamps. So I have here my panel 4¼ by 5½, and I have this beautiful stamp by Paper Smooches, and it's called Let's Celebrate. So the good thing about these solid stamps that you don't need to color them. So I'm gonna pick a balloon, I'm going to stamp it, and I have here my Altenew inks. Of course you can use any inks, any color. So because this is my first time to use it, so I have to stamp it, in a piece of paper, scrap paper, just to try it out, because you don't want to have these all white spots. Yet I still have some of them. Then I'm gonna stamp the string, and last thing, my sentiment, happy birthday, and the ink I'm using is Bali Altenew. I'm going to write everything I use in the description box, and voila, we're done with this beautiful simple birthday card. The second way is to use die cuts. Either you have die cuts, when you stamp a lot of images, sometimes you have, extra, or you can use or buy these die cuts that meant for scrapbooking or for mixed media. So I have the first two by Prima, or like these fun die cuts by Polka Dot, I think. Or you can just fussy cut your papers. I'm sure that you have a design paper, so sometimes they come with the sheets to cut, or you can just cut these small images in the paper. Or you can just use a sticker, and today I'm going to use these beautiful stickers by Cartabella. So the first thing, I'm going to stamp my sentiment. This stamp. This sentiment is from MFT stamp, and I put my sticker, and that's it. Easy, simple card. You are always very close to my heart and really matches my sticker. The third way is to use embellishments, and any kind of embellishments. Here I'm going to use this beautiful thread. So I make it like around like a nest or something, and I'm here using Barely Art glue. This is very strong glue, and also it dries clear. So I'm gonna press not hard, as much as I can. Then to decorate this thread, I'm going to use sequins. I don't know, when there's sequins in the card, I feel this card is elegant. So I have here also the sequins, and this is a pickup tool, I think called. Again, names of the products, I'm gonna leave it in the description box. If you don't have a sequence, maybe you can use beads, or you can use small die cuts. Sometimes we have these dies that cuts hearts or stars, like from Lawn Fawn, or any company. You can use it. Or maybe if you have like a paper punch, also you can punch some hearts or flower or butterfly. For my sentiments, I'm going just to die cut word hi, and I was hesitant. I'm not sure, shall I put it inside or outside? I feel inside will be better, but I have again sequence. Yes, and also if you don't have sequence, you can use these enamel stickers or gemstone stickers. And our card is done. I'm so happy. Still, instead of staying like 1 hour designing for a card, is to use stencil. And I feel that we always overlook our stencils. So I have this stencil by Simon's Stamp, and it's called Mosaic Stars, and I have this amazing product, Cosmic Shimmer by Creative Expression. So I'm just going to stencil this star the middle size, so it fits my card panel, because again I want something really simple and minimalist. And of course I had to do some mistake, these some of the paste ruined my panel and I ruined it more, but I'm gonna show you now how I'm going to fix it. I have this black marker. This is what do you call it? Yes, called permanent chalk markers, and it will dry matte, I think. So that's why I use it. I know it looks horrible now, but anyway, also I'm going to cover it with my sentiment. Okay, so for my sentiment, I die cut this banner by a lawn fawn die, and even the sentiment by a lawn fawn, so it can, fit the banner. And I have this beautiful gold ink by Altenew. It's really nice. So I'm gonna cut it, and I'm going to use foam square and try to cover some of the thing that, the messed up of the cosmic shimmer or the paste. So I sprayed my card with glitter spray, and looks amazing. Very simple, very easy, straightforward card. Number 5, watercolor gradients. So I have these zig marker or watercolor marker, and I'm going just, to swatch them. Red, green, yellow. This is not even yellow, but any colors. And I have with my brush, and I'm going, to dilute them. And I have like mix of colors, and that's it. And I stamped my sentiment. I'm sorry, I didn't film this part. I don't know why. And it's done. Number 6, and this is the last one, is using sprays. So since my panel is black cardstock, so I'm going to use distress oxide, or you can use glitter spray or shimmer spray. But if you're using white cardstock, you can use any kind of spray. And I spritz 1, 2, 3, red, yellow, blue, blue, and that's it. The thing here that I stamped the image using the gold ink by Altenew, and I thought it will be clear, but it is not. I don't know. This was a mistake, but I'm not going to throw my image, my panel. And I stamped it again. I don't know what I was thinking, that the image will be, clear in the top instead of down. I said, no way. So the thing is, before I tell you what I'm gonna do, again, because I want this black to pop up, I just spray some glitter spray. And in the end, I heat embossed my sentiment in the end. I'm not going to throw anything. I think it looks really nice. So here we go. 6 cards, I think, in 6 minutes, or let's say 10 minutes. I prepared them. Very easy, straightforward, and you really need less supplies. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.